Joshua Jones. This channel was made to share my knowledge on two subjects, financial and spiritual freedom. That's why I named it Jones Random Knowledge. I share my knowledge of an internet-based business, how to live more and work less than 5 days a week. I consider my content a shortcut, right to the point, to save you time from searching and consuming useless info. If you are wanting to learn about content marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and more, then you have found the right place. This channel is for those who are future entrepreneurs or already are. People who want to start or grow an online business and desire time and money freedom as the results. I just wanted to share with you something I've learned from my mentors. I have people I trust and I learn from. And I share with my viewers the strategies I have learned. I actually use what I teach because it's proven to work. I am not trying to present useless info and strategies that are unproductive. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe and leave a comment below that you subscribed. This will let me know you did and I can reply to you. I learn, do, and then I teach. I will never say I am an expert. My success, my results are mine. It's time to start your own. I decided to teach you with slides, much like you would receive for a paid course. I await feedback on the content. Let's begin. Okay, the first step is to decide what you want to do. Now this could be any niche that you choose to go into. If you're a fitness instructor and you want to teach fitness, then this is what you would do. You would go into the market and you would research and find out what competitors are doing and try to find a target market that you are able to talk to about fitness. Now in this example, in this tutorial, this video, I'm going to use online business because that's what I do the most of. So you have to decide what exactly are you wanting to do for an online business. Are you wanting to sell digital products? Are you wanting to sell physical products? What is your desire? It is up to you what you do. Then, after you decide what you want to do, step 2 is to decide what platform. What is your online address that people are going to be able to find you at? Are you going to have a website URL? Are you going to start a blog? Are you going to do a social media account, such as Facebook, YouTube, such as I'm doing? Are you going to do some other kind of social media? As you can see, there are several of these options. And then the third step is you gotta decide what kind of content are you gonna create. Because without an audience and content to look at, without a platform to put your content on, without deciding what you want to actually do in the first place, you're not gonna be able to get to the next step. So this would be the third step. You have to write or create audio or record, which would be both audio and video for someone to view. And you want to create content that is valuable, that is going to help the person on the other end, the target audience for the target niche that you've chosen. So an example would be someone that is struggling to pay their bills, living paycheck to paycheck. I would make content around that and give solutions to the problem of paying the bills on time and paying, instead of having a paycheck every single week to worry about, having an amount of money by the end of the month that will guarantee for their success to have their bills sales paid and live more comfortably. And that's just an example of content to make on that. And step 4 is the behind the scenes. It's what we call lead generation. Now there's 4 essential parts to it. As you can see, there are 4 components. The first is a lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that you give away in exchange for someone's email address. This could be something of value. This could have a price that you wouldn't normally sell, but instead you're just going to give it away, and the currency is going to be the person's email address. It could be many formats. It could be a PDF, it could be a video, it could be a document, a Google Doc, it could be a presentation, anything that your target audience would be interested in. You could go ahead and give it away in exchange for their email. And then the second essential is what is called a capture page. This is the page that they would go to enter their email. And this is an example of what they would see at the bottom of whatever the page is of the sales page, whatever the case may be that they're trying to get access to. The third essential part is what's called a bridge page. Now, not a lot of people do this, but a bridge page is where you send the person after they send their email to you. You can have a video, and you can also have writing that explains and offers the presentation of the offer that you have for them to purchase. You give them like your recommendation and your testimonial of the item, of the product. This is your way of putting your seal of approval on it before they choose to buy. And then of course they have the option at the bottom of the page to buy the item directly right there in a secure checkout from a credit card processor. And then the fourth option, the fourth essential part, is what's known as the autoresponder. Now this is where the magical stuff happens, because after this initial stop, they don't normally will buy on the first time. The percentage is very low of how much people will actually go and buy from people they don't know, trust, or like. Therefore, an autoresponder is crucial to get someone's email on an email list and send out a series of emails. Now, I've already made an email sequence ahead of time, and I've also made a video explaining what kind of an email sequence to build trust would be like. For an example, once you make the emails, you can make it, forget it, and leave it, and then it over time will continue to be automatically responsive to those that send their email through your capture page. Now again, this is how you build your business. You need to have an audience, which is the next step after the 4 essentials is accomplished. You must have an audience. Now you may ask, where can I get an audience from? You can get an audience from something called free organic traffic, or something that's paid advertisement traffic. I see my voice just came back for just a second, but there it goes again. It's important that you understand that in order for you to have a business, no matter what the product is, you have to have a sale, and you have to have an audience that is willing to pay for whatever your offer is in order to have that sale. I'll go into another detailed video on how to have traffic and an audience. But for now, that's the 5th step. The 6th step is an email list. Again, this goes along with the autoresponder, bridge page, capture page, and a lead magnet. Once you have this email list, you can then send out broadcast emails that are promoting the content that you are currently making. As they get made, you can go ahead and send traffic right to that video, right to that blog, whatever the option you choose. Now you may ask, is an email dead? The answer is no, it is not. Many of people in businesses, even outside of the internet, are still asking for email addresses because platforms come and go, that businesses change, and if you have an email list, you can have an on-demand audience, you can have an on-demand customer list to sell your products to in the future. And how do you do this? By building relationships with those that are on your email list, sending out emails, sending out content that they are going to consume that is valuable and it is remarkable content. And then they'll build trust with you, and then eventually maybe they'll become a customer. They'll turn from a lead to a sale. And then the seventh is a digital product. This is where you actually give them something in exchange for price, for money. Whatever that price is up to you. It could be a video, it could be a document, it could be a course of some sort, it could be anything that you choose that is digital, that like a software or an app, something that they can go ahead and buy into, so to speak, a membership of some sort. Even that is best in my opinion, because you can have recurring membership compensation. Now what I personally offer is exactly that. On a monthly basis, a certain amount chosen by you, the viewer, the audience, those that are interested in the product that I have to offer, will opt into and choose to pay monthly for, in exchange for access to information, tons of course, digital products, different options to build their own business, no matter what the business niche they choose. And step 8 is the follow-up process. After they have the digital product, you want to still continue to follow up with your customer. You want to be able to help them if they have any questions or concerns, just basic customer service with them, or even just to see how they're doing from time to time. And then, of course, in any business, you want to continue to scale. It's not enough to just settle for just 1 or 2 or 3 sales, but you want to make it available to where you can constantly grow. And that's where automation comes in it. That's where a digital product comes in it. I encourage all of you, whoever want to do an online business, to have time freedom. So therefore, I would say automate, delegate, and eliminate processes in your business. I can go into that in another video. So once again, you must do these steps in order to have a successful online business. These are the steps that every business has to go through to start an online business. Now I want to warn you that I am going to go ahead and put the outro, play the outro, and it may be louder than my voice currently. I do apologize, so go ahead and turn your volume down. I'll give you a few seconds and then I'll go ahead and end this video. Thank you very, very much for your time. The link in the bottom of this video, the first one, is how you would enter into my email list, and I have something there for you that will teach you step by step everything I just explained in this slide, so you get a better, more clearer step-by-step instruction checklist of how to do it, everything involved. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps to financial freedom. If you like this video, please smash the like button, or if you don't like it, smash the dislike. Leave a comment below to give me some feedback. If this is your first time, please subscribe and hit the bell for notification to be informed when I make my next video available to you. As always, remember, be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.